Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, is the molecule that contains the genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known living organisms. To understand the intricacies of life, scientists have developed a fascinating set of techniques for dissecting and decoding DNA. Now, we will try to explore the world of DNA dissection and its crucial role in modern science. The building blocks of life. Imagine DNA as a book, where each page is a chapter, and every word is a set of instructions. DNA is composed of nucleotides, which are the building blocks of this biological encyclopedia. Each nucleotide consists of a sugar, a phosphate group, and one of four nitrogenous bases is adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C, or guanine G. The order of these bases along the DNA strand forms the genetic code. Tools of the trade. This relies on a toolkit of essential techniques and equipment. Polymerase chain reaction CRP. CRP is like a DNA photocopier. It allows scientists to make copies of specific DNA segments, amplifying the amount for further analysis. Gel electrophoresis. This method separates DNA fragments based on size. It's akin to sorting DNA segments by length, creating a visual representation of the genetic makeup. DNA sequencing. DNA sequencing is like reading the book of life. It reveals the exact order of nucleotides, unlocking vital information about genes and their functions. Applications in science and medicine. DNA dissection plays a pivotal role in various fields. Genetics. By this process, scientists can study inheritance, mutations, and genetic diversity. This knowledge has led to breakthroughs in gene therapy, personalized medicine, and the study of inherited diseases. Forensics. Dissection of DNA is a powerful tool in solving crimes. DNA samples can be dissected to identify suspects, confirm or exclude paternity, and link evidence to crime scenes. Evolutionary biology. By comparing DNA from different species, scientists dissect the evolutionary relationships between organisms, shedding light on the tree of life. Biotechnology. The dissection of DNA has opened doors to genetically modified organisms, enabling the development of crops with enhanced traits and the production of vital pharmaceuticals. Medical research. Dissection of DNA is at the heart of medical breakthroughs, such as understanding the genetics of diseases, developing treatments, and even the quest for a cure for cancer. Ethical and legal considerations. As powerful as DNA dissection is, it raises ethical questions about privacy, genetic discrimination, and the responsible use of genetic information. Various countries have established laws and regulations to address these concerns and protect individuals' genetic privacy.